Hyper Tough multi-tool. Is it worth it? I'll let you guys be the judge of that, but ultimately, I really don't think so. But it's a good placeholder until you find the right one. The knife and everything else on it, it barely cuts paper, so I wouldn't really consider the knife the greatest thing ever. I usually have a razor blade on me anyway, so that doesn't matter to me. I always have a multi-tool or some type of screwdriver on me, so I don't care about the screwdriver part. The file part does okay. They have a serrated blade thing, saw style cutter. I don't care about that, so it's insignificant to me, and probably to most of us in the maintenance world. Let's compare the strippers though. The Klein is better, and the Klein is better, but this does okay, like I said, for what I needed to do. The smaller wire, I just need to add an angle, do that. I wish it went down to like 24 gauge, but it is what it is. The quality handles, I mean, it is $12, guys. The needle nose part has actually been pretty decent, not gonna lie. I still able to grip onto things, no problem. I haven't really put a lot of torque on this thing because I don't use it very often. It's just if my toolbox is pretty far away, which is not very often because with me being a control stick now, I'd take my toolbox everywhere and just throw my laptop on top of that. So I rarely need it, but the times I do need it, it is helpful. The other thing I wish it had was like a little tweaker screwdriver, because a lot of us guys in maintenance, we need a little tweaker. But there's really no maintenance only multi-tool. I really wish there was. I think there'd be a huge sell. But until probably Klein or one, Ideal or somebody that really specializes in like electricians and maintenance guys, HVAC, until one of those guys make one, I don't think there will be one. So, but I'm gonna try the squirt out next, and then there was a knife from Saga I was looking at, possibly, but it's more of a knife, and I don't carry a knife. I carry, like I said, a razor blade, so I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below. Is there something else that you guys use that has the wire strippers and can get small enough? I'd love to hear from you. I know Southwire made one, but I'm not going to spend $100 on eBay to buy something that's obsolete now. All right, so hopefully this is short, quick enough for you guys, and down and dirty. Is it worth it? Again, yes, if it's just kind of a placeholder until then, but if you have to use it like every day, it might last a few months on you. How often you need to use it. It's great in a pinch, no more. Don't forget though, smile. It's going to be wonderful.